Now what about this is from this joint it is pulling the joint. It means okay, and this end is known as E and this is as E. What about this joint compressing? Means that joint A will be pushing. So AD. And this angle is theta. Is it okay, my free body diagram? Or is there anything missing? Any force is missing?
So that 1 kilonewton.
You see, I am now, you see, again, don't mix up so many things. My area of consideration is only joint A, no other joint. Joint D under consideration. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
All are clear about this? Now tell me, who is not clear about this free body diagram? Tell me one by one. Confirm me first. Okay, Anikesh Banik.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear, free body diagram?
Yes,
Or
sir.
anything, any comments you have?
No, sir.
No, okay, fine. Orko Prabhu,
Yes, sir, I'm okay with that free body diagram.
you are comfortable. Okay.
Yes.
Cheru. Cheru. Cheru, is it okay with you? Okay. Disha is okay. Gangeshwar?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, comfortable. Next, Himanshu.
Yes, sir. So I'm comfortable
Is
with
it
it, sir.
comfortable?
Yes, sir.
There is no doubt.
No, sir.
Okay, good. Now, Rishik Dey.
Yes, sir. It's comfortable.
Comfortable. Next, I move to Kaushik.
Yes, sir. Comfortable, sir.
Comfortable. Malay Barman.
Yes, sir. Comfortable. Yes, sir.
Prabhika. Prabhika. Prabhika may have network problem always. Okay, anyway. Moving to Priyanka.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. Next is I move to Pramod. Pramod.
Yes, sir, I understand.
Okay. Is it okay with you?
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
Okay. Radharani should be okay. Sanchari.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Shashank. Shashank Rai. Shashank
Yes,
also is
sir.
present.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay with you? The free body diagram for joint A? Fine. So you all
Yes,
are
sir. It's
comfortable
okay,
now.
sir.
Anything? Tell me anything. Anything you want to communicate? Somebody tried? No. Okay. Fine. So come back. Now tell me, in this particular free body diagram, I find one component that is theta. Now tell me, theta, the value of the theta is not given. But is it required to determine the theta? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Why? Then again, to be compensated by
Sir,
logic. Why?
yes, sir. So there are inclined forces.
Exactly. There are inclined force. If only vertical and horizontal force, then I'm not bothered about the theta. Whenever there is a presence of any inclined force, you are supposed to know what is theta. Okay, now the next, give me the solution. How to determine this theta?
So that
Tell me.
so that
You see,
formula we
again,
have.
trigonometry, geometry. It will be within that. Nothing beyond that. Think in that angle.
So that formula is the tan theta.
Tell me.
So tan theta is equal to RAY by RA. RAB by RA.
RAB by RA. No. Again,
No, sorry.
who is there?
Sorry.
Who is trying? Disclose your name, please.
Sir, me Orko.
You are trying good, but again, let me remind you. Don't be under any confusion regarding and the theta made with the resultant or the resultant reaction. No. If we talk about the resultant, angle of that resultant, then only what you told regarding RA, B or H, those things will come in picture. Here, there is nothing like that. Here, this is the theta means this is geometrical theta. This is from this particular figure you have to find it out. So don't mix up that theta and this theta. Am I clear, Orko Prabhu?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
Yes.
now tell me what is the solution? How to determine theta?
Perpendicular by base.
Perpendicular by base.
CE
So C
by A.
CH by AH.
Very good. Because you have to choose a triangle, right angle triangle. Because then only it becomes easy to determine theta. And where you have to choose such a right angle triangle where the dimensions are known. You see, you could have chosen this also now A, B, but can you really find out the theta from the triangle ADE? No, because we do not know the. Can you find out from the triangle ADE? Yes. No, because we do not know the value of this. Neither this nor this. We have only one known, which is not possible. But
Sir, if we consider
by known
ACH,
value
then
is known value. So naturally, I have to take the triangle ACH, where my two known value. One is the CH, another is the AH. Both are known to us. So utilize tan theta is equal to CH by AH. CH means how much? 2.25 by 123. So which will give me theta? Tell me what is the theta?
so 36.8
degree.
degree.
36.8
8 degree.
degree. Fine. So we could determine the theta. So we will utilize the same theta for any resolving the forces, inclined forces. Now come back. Now again, let us call what is the equilibrium equation. Let us take which one you want to take. Let us take suppose sigma Fy. Let us take anything. Fy. Now comply the forces. Tell me. Only now concentrate only on joint A. Don't look here and there. Joint A and here only. Nowhere else. Tell me. What should I write to resolve in line with y-axis?
RAV.
Plus
0.75.
Okay. It should be R A V plus or minus.
So plus
Plus.
Okay. Next.
Minus AD.
AD. Okay. Force in AD. Yes. AD minus because we take it is downward. Tell the component.
sir,
sin theta.
Sin 36.8.
Is it okay with everybody? Sin theta. You should not
Yes,
take cos
sir.
theta.
yes sir.
Okay. Okay. Now what is left out? AE. But AE is at 90. So no impact. So you can equate with theta. So it means they are a base known. So tell me what is the base AD. Just me the value.
1.252 kilonewton.
1.25. 1.25 kilonewton. Over. So one, it is clear to you. Now the next equation is sigma fx. Tell me sigma fx of the same joint.
Sir,
Tell me which one first? Which force?
sir, AE.
A. Okay, let us take F A E. Plus or minus
Sir,
Plus.
plus.
because it is method. Okay. A B direct, no component. Next.
Sir, minus AD.
Okay, minus is AB
cos 36.8 degree.
Cos theta. I will put the value of theta. Is there any other force? No, I don't find. So is equal to 0. Now tell me, if AD is already known, so tell me what is F A
So 1 kilonewton.
1 kilonewton. Okay, fine. It becomes 1 kilonewton. Now tell me, everybody, all of you, confirm me. If there is any silliest doubt, let me know. Tell me one by one. Our analysis for joint A is over, and we could determine two unknown. That is one FAD, FAE. Now tell me if any doubt. Anikesh, confirm me. Anikesh,
Yes, sir.
is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there will be no slippage. Don't allow any slippage. If such problem comes, you should be confident. Orko
Yes, sir.
Prabhu?
Yes, sir. Yes, okay.
Okay, Cherup? Cherup may have some problem, audio problem. Okay. Disha, now is it okay with you?
Yes, sir.
Radharani?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next time moving Gangeshwar?
Yes, sir. Comfortable.
So you're muted.
Okay, just hold on. Is it okay now? Audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Himanshu, can you analyze any joint independently now? Himanshu. Okay, Rishit,
Yes, sir.
can you handle
Yes.
any joint independently?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Kaushik.
Yes, sir.
Kaushik.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I move to Prabika. Prabika, again the same, maybe network issue. Okay. Priyanka,
Yes, sir. All right.
can you handle?
Yes, sir.
Pramod,
Yes, sir, I understand.
Sanchari,
Yes, sir.
Shashank. I find one more new student who has very recently joined, Mohammad Javed Rahman. Javed, if you can hear me, you unmute your mic. Your mic is not visible. Your video is there, camera is on, but your mic is not visible at all. Are you with the mic? Can you converse? No, okay, we'll see later. Okay, now, so our analysis joint A is over. Now tell me, what is the next joint you recommend? And we'll take up that. Tell me the next joint.
Sir, D.
After A, you see, you must have the logic. Once you say, tell me if I ask, why not E? What will be your answer?
Sir,
me.
because in D there are more number of forces we know.
Okay. You see, more number of forces we know is not important. You have to take care what are the number of the unknown force. That is more important. Known does not matter. Known is known. We are not interested. We are interested about to determine the unknown forces. Now tell me. Tell me. How many unknown at B?
Only
One.
one.
The two.
Only one?
The two.
The two.
The two.
Two unknown.
Oh yeah.
Huh? Tell me. How many? How many unknown at joint G?
DEDG.
Okay, now tell me how many unknown at joint E? Tell me.
Sir, 2.
There are also two. So you can pick up any. Now the logic stands. So in both the joints there are two unknowns. So we can pick either D or E. So as she suggested, okay, let us go ahead with D. Now write down joint E. Fine. Again, let us take what you want to take. Tell me. Let us take again F point. Start analyzing. Tell me. You are analyzing the joint with respect to y-axis first. Tell me one by one. What should I write?
So -1.
Okay, -1. Because 1 is acting vertically downward. Okay.
So minus DG.
Okay, first, have you drawn that from your PPT diagram? Then it will be more clear, more clarity here. Clearly draw the FBT. So 1 kilonewton, and this is F, means this is D, this is D. What about this DG? So it is coming from G. And what about AD? AD value is knowing how much? Can you tell me what is the AD?
1.25.
1 point. You can write directly 1.5. So now here we have to analyze like this. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Now tell me. So 1 you have taken already. Okay. Next, remaining forces.
Plus FD.
Plus FDE and directly no component because it is exactly vertical. Next,
Minus FDG.
FDG. Why minus? Because it is leftward. Tell me now. What about this angle? You are supposed to do geometrically. If this is theta, what will be this here? Same theta.
Sine.
Then it will be cos or sine?
The sine.
Sine? Okay, vertically, correct. Okay, next, what is left out? One more is left out. That is
Plus FAD.
will be plus or minus?
Plus
Plus 1.25. Now tell the component. You should know what should be this angle. What should be this angle? Geometrical. It should be theta. See, same line. This is theta in terms of theta. Now if
Sin
that one
36.
is theta, now tell me what is
Yes.
the vertical component?
sin theta.
Sin theta. So 1.25 sin theta. Okay. Now let us put all the known value and let us find out. Let us find out. Are you getting any value directly? How many unknown? DE is unknown and DG also is unknown. So you cannot find out from the single equation. So you simplify the equation. Don't worry. If it is not possible, don't worry. Keep it there. But simplify this. Simplify and tell me. It should be, because otherwise you will take time. That F it should be FDG. FDG plus FDE, because DE, FDE, FDG plus FDE is equal to 416 point. Sorry, no, is in kilonewton. It should be some 0.416. Not kilonewton, don't put any because this is the equation. So you can give the name of this equation as equation 1 and keep it like. Are you getting the same? Are you getting the same? You should get the same. You can check it later also, no problem. Okay, now let us take another equation. Summation of fx equal to 0. Now tell me, what are the sources? You should take care. I find 1.5 rightward with plus, that is cos theta. Okay, so this is over, and this one leftward
Minus FDG.
FDG again cos theta.
Cos theta.
Anything because these two are vertical, it will not make it here in the next direction, equating to 0. Now see from here, we can get value because of the command answer. Tell me how much FDC?
$1.25.
So minus 1.24. No, sir, no, sir. 1.25. No, not now, not minus, sir.
Sir, plus 1.
Very good. So again, you should
Sir,
understand.
not minus.
Tell me. Tell me.
So not minus.
You're getting plus.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Confirm me. Third. Any third answer?
Sir, it is plus.
Plus. Okay. Then so there is no question. Means whatever we assume.
So
it is like
1.24.
1 by 1.24. So here you will write completion of function. If you have assumed an operation, if what positive is this completion. Okay.
Sir, your mic is muted.
Okay, determine this FDE from.
Sir, it is coming in minus.
Tell me. Tell me.
FDE is, it is coming in minus. FDE.
FDE is coming minus how much?
Minus 0.834.
Yes, sir.
34.
834 kilometer.
So I'm getting 1.66.
So that's plus or minus?
So plus
Plus
I'm
or
getting
minus?
1.66.
1.66.
So plus 66.
1.66 plus 1.66. What is the third answer? Tell me.
You have to subtract, not add.
Yeah, here, yes, you should know that tricks that can we discuss. No, here we have not got anything negative. We have not got anything. FDC is 1.24. That's all. So substitute here FDC, and this is minus is already there. Equation remains same. No, sorry, not this. This one. You put the value of FDC here. FDC plus FDC
Yes, sir.
0.416. How much? Now tell me. Actually 0.416. No? So it should be minus actually. It should be minus. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So it should be minus. So it means minus means what you have to change that consideration 0.834 now kilometer to repeat. Earlier, what was your assumption about it? It was compression. It means now, so I change the sign minus to positive. And we are writing now tension. In place of compression, it will be tension. So our assumption was wrong. Okay, our assumption was wrong. No problem, but we get it like that. Is it okay? Now tell me. We analyzed the
Sir,
joint.
that equation once I'm not getting.
Question one. So what is the value you are getting? You tell me your value. No problem.
Yes.
How much?
So value I'm getting, but sign I'm getting FDE minus FDG is equal to 0.417. So I'm getting minus.
FD come here. This is class FD.
FD, yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir. That one
FDG
is
was
plus, but
minus.
FG I'm minus.
Okay. It may be. It may be correct. Okay, now tell me. Okay, you whatever you get it, you correct it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Okay.
this value also may be little change. So I am giving you this as a homework. So keep it ready. We'll discuss in the next class. Okay, we'll continue it. Okay. Otherwise, there is no doubt. There is some mathematical or some writing error.
Yes,
So correct it and keep it ready. Tell me.
no problem, sir.
Okay, but make it ready. Next day we'll see. Okay. So so with this, I would like to wind up. Just give me 1 minute of time for taking the attendance. Just 1 minute. Okay, Anikesh is there.
Yes, sir.
Prabhu.
Present, sir.
Okay, Disha is there. Okay. Next is Gangeshwar.
Yes, sir.
Gangeshwar is there. So next is Himanshu.
Present, sir.
Dishit.
Present, sir.
Kaushik.
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
Next is your Pravika.
Sir, Malay Burman.
Okay, taken. Priyanka Pal.
Present, sir.
Pramod Chandra Roy.
Present, sir.
Radharani.
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
Next is your Sanchari.
Present, sir.
Shashank. Okay, taken Shashank. Okay then. So with this, I would like to wind up. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next class. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Is sir still
Morning,
taking
ma'am.
class or his class is over?
Good morning,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Sir's class is over?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay.